Hello, welcome back to Smart Money TV. My name is Miracle. I am a business coach and I create content on cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, and various ways on how you can earn money online. And that is the purpose of creating this channel, to teach people how they can earn money online. So if you love that content, you can kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video like this, you will not miss out and you'll be the first person to be notified. Now in today's video, I want to show you 5 businesses you can do in Nigeria or in any other part of the country in 2022 with little or no investment. 5 businesses you can do with little or no investment at all. All you just have to do is to stay with me for the next 10 minutes as I reveal these businesses to you. Now welcome back to Smart Money TV. The first business idea I want to show you today is affiliate marketing business. Now, why affiliate marketing business and what is affiliate marketing business? Affiliate marketing business is a process whereby you promote other people's products or any company's products and earn a commission for it at the end of each sales. So that means if you are promoting a business, if you are a product, maybe you are promoting this product and someone click on your link and purchase it, you earn a commission for it. Is that not amazing? Okay, so when you promote a product on your status, on your maybe Facebook page, on your Facebook profile, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, and someone click on that product and purchase it, you have a commission for it. And let me explain better. Affiliate marketing is just as if maybe you have a friend or you have someone around your environs that want to sell a product. Maybe a friend of you want to sell a car. Let's use a car as an example. Want to sell a car at the rate of 250,000 naira or 300,000 naira, and you work to your friend that I can help you to promote this car, I can help you to sell this car, and both of you will have an agreement that okay, if I sell this car, I will have so percent, maybe I will have 30% of it. And you snap the car and put it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook page, on your social media platform, and fortunately for someone buy the car through you. At the end of the day, you have a commission for it. Maybe you bargain 30%, you have 30% of that 300,000, or if it's 250,000, you have 30% of it. So that is how affiliate marketing works. And before you can be an affiliate marketer, you have to choose a niche. And that niche is your area of specification. If you are into business, you have to specify on one thing. And we have different niche in affiliate business. We have money niche, we have health niche, and others. So if you base on health niche, all the products you'll be promoting will base on health, and you have a lot of people. A lot of people are suffering from different health conditions. So if you can provide solution for it, they will pay you money and you deliver your products to them and you have your own commission. It's as simple as that. It's just by promoting other people's products. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you don't have to have a lot of money before you start. In fact, you can partner with Amazon. If you want to partner with Amazon, it's completely free. So anywhere in the world, anywhere you are watching this video from, you can partner with Amazon and earn money as an affiliate marketer. My next video will be on how you can partner with Amazon, how you can be affiliate with Amazon. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that when I upload that video, you'll be notified on time so that you can watch it and also learn. You can partner with Amazon and you can also partner with a lot of affiliate companies. In Nigeria, we have a lot of affiliate companies like Espania. If you want to register with Espania, you have some token to pay. You have to pay some amount. If you want to register with, we also have Lenoflix. If you want to register with them, you have to pay money. So there are some affiliate companies you can register with, but it requires some money. So without that, you can start with your friends. You can walk up to any of your friends that is selling any product. Some of our friends are into shoemaking. Some of your friends, they are into shoemaking. You can walk to them and promote their product on your WhatsApp status or on your Facebook page, and you earn money from it. So that is that about affiliate business, affiliate marketing business. And the second business I will be showing you today is drop shipping. Drop shipping also related to affiliate marketing, but there is little differences. Now the difference that is there is that in drop shipping you can also work to your friend or any company and partner with them and promote their product as well. So at the end of the day, you also earn a commission for it. So that is also drop shipping. Or you buy the product, maybe you have some little money, you can use it to buy the products and take the product to your store and promote and sell. So it's either you buy the product, or if you don't have money, you can go and partner with the person, snap their products. You can take your phone, snap their products, or if they have the products picture, you can collect it and collect the price tag and promote it on your status. So if you are promoting, maybe your friend is selling this product at the rate of 5,000 naira, you can promote it on your status at the rate of 6,000 naira or 6,500. You can put 6,500, and maybe at the end of the day you tell the person the last price I can give you is 6,000 naira, and the person pay, you have 1,000 naira commission on each product. And let's assume you sell that same product to 5 different people or 6 different people in a day. That is definitely you earn 6,000 naira per day on that particular product. And if you do that for 7 weeks, you know how much you already have. If you do that for 1 month, you know how much you already have. So that is about drop shipping. It's about also promoting products. It's either you buy the products and resell, or you partner with any companies or your friends. All you just have to do is to build trust. There are sometimes you can even collect all the products without paying any amount of money, or with paying, or you can just pay little amount. So it depends on the relationship you within you and the company or your friends, and also trust. So you have to build trust and you have to build a strong relationship. That is about drop shipping. The third business you can do without investment or with little investment is blogging. So many people have made a lot of money while blogging, and if you are a blogger, you have access to affiliate marketing, you have access to drop shipping, and you also have access to Google ads. That's about 3 things. But before you can be successful as a blogger, you have to really work. It requires a lot of work and a lot of patience, because before Google can approve your ads, you have to spend at least 3 to 4 months. So it requires a lot of work, and it requires a lot of passion. You have to have passion for the job, and you also be privileged to promote your products on your blog. So many bloggers are also affiliate marketer, whereby at the end of the day, they are, as they post on their blog, they are earning money for it, and they are also marketing the products they are promoting. So it's as if they are using one stone to kill two birds. Can you understand that proverb? They're using one stone, that is, as a blogger, they're using one post to earn money and to promote a product. So I also have a course on that, on a full course on how you can be a blogger and how you can register a website, how you can build your website and all this. So if you are interested in to be a blogger, you can message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is on the description button. You can message me on WhatsApp or any of my social media, and I will share you the link on how to become a blogger. So the third business I'll be showing you today, I mean the fourth business rather, I'll be showing you today that you can do with little or no investment is online video. So you can be a YouTuber and upload various content on your YouTube channel and earn money for it. So if you are an online entrepreneur or online coach, you have to select a niche. There are some people that are in health niche, they're based on health. So any product they are promoting, be you affiliate marketer, be you dropshipper, be you a blogger, if you are in health niche, any product you'll be promoting, you make sure it's based on health. You will coach people, you will teach people what they can use to solve their problem. And as an affiliate marketer, as I've said earlier, you have to choose a niche. Or you're a dropshipper, you have to choose a niche. Even though you're a blogger, you have to choose a niche that you're passionate about and focus so that you not miss road. There are some people that are into money niche. So when you work towards it, you are very passionate about it. There's no how you will not have a result. So the most mistake many people are doing is that they are combining different niche together. So you just have to choose a niche and build on it. So that is it. And the fifth business you can do today is by creating your own product, and I call it digital product or online course. So digital product is also related to affiliate marketing, but it's not affiliate marketing. Digital product is by you creating your own products. I said affiliate marketing is by you promoting other people's products or your own products, but digital product now is by you creating maybe your own products and sell to people. You can also teach people what you know. You can also teach people on what you know and what you you love doing, or what you are currently doing. You can also teach people and earn money on it. So you can teach people maybe can organize online class and teach people. You can organize maybe tutorial on WhatsApp, on Zoom, and collect a penny for it. So these are the 5 businesses you can do in Nigeria and globally that you will earn a lot of money. Number 1, as I've said, affiliate marketing. Number 2, dropshipper. Number 3, blogger. Number 4, online video. Then number 5, digital product or course, online course. So this is what you can do online in Nigeria that will make you a lot of money. So if you are interested to create your own product, I have a course, I have an ebook on that, how you can do it, how you can go about it. You can check the description button and message me on WhatsApp for any one you really will have passion to do. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, you can come to my DM, I will coach you and the like. So without missing much of our time, I'd like to say thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.